got no pedal. Mine.
So, wala po akong work ngayon. And nandito po kami sa labas ng bahay. Nagbabike si Javi. Yan, sasamahan ko siya. Maglalaro kami dito. Yan. Let's go.
I can't see this.
Ayaw niya mag-helmet. Na ano'y siguro siya. Okay, let's go.
I think you're... Ow. It hit my foot.
Javi, when you grow up, you're gonna see this. You're 3 years old now. You're 3 years old in 3 months. It's March 31.
I'm 2 years old.
Yeah. Javi, when you see this, when you grow up, Mama is proud of you.
It hurts my leg.
Hurts your leg?
Yeah.
Javi, look at yourself. You're a brave boy. You're 3 years old and you're such a brave boy. I'm proud of you. So, andito na po kami sa bridge banda. Sa labas. So, yan na yung progress niya. Very good.
There's a sign.
A sign? What does it say?
It says a neighborhood watch.
A neighborhood watch. Correct. Okay.
I'm not going to slide. I'm going slowly. So I'm going to I'm going this side. Now let's go to the bump.
To the bump. Okay. Let's go to the bump.
We don't want to bump it. We don't want to bump it. But I want to go on the playground. Bump it. Bump it. Let me stop. I want to go on the playground.
Go down naman. Slide down. Not there. Not there.
Which one? I sounded like it. That's funny.
Slide.
That's dangerous.
No, that's not.
Cheese!
Cheese! Hi guys! So, it's April 3. Pupunta po kami ngayon ng Hilary's. Merong free event po doon. Parang dragon sa tubig. And then, dragon na yung doon.
Papa, I want to go to the
And
dragon.
then, doon kami
I
magdi-dinner.
want to go to the dragon.
Yeah, it's Thursday. Konting kwento lang na wala akong work this week. Next week pa mag-start. So, bonding kami today. And then, work from home na si Dad the whole week. So, bonding kami family. Always be happy. Love, love, love. No bashing.
I think the dragon was...
So, ayan. Merong 26 minutes from here. Papuntang Hilary's boat harbor. Then, andito yung bata natin. Yay! It's been a while since nakapag-video ko ulit. Parang na-focus ako sa work lately.
Hey,
Last
the dragon
January
does
to
go-
March.
He go on the video hop.
Video hop?
Yeah. The first, so he can go on a ride day.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think he leave day before. I think he fly day.
Yeah.
He got wings, so he can run to any water and swim day. What's the dragon's favorite color? Do you know?
Maybe green?
Yeah, it's green, but they got a neck. What's the color of the neck again? I don't know that.
You're so
Which color is that?
Maybe blue?
It's white.
It's white?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's white.
What's the color of the dragon again?
It's green. And the dragon is colored white.
You're so cutie.
But he must have been there before.
Yeah.
He must have been there.
So, andito ako palagi nakaupo sa likod kasi sinasama ako si Abby. So, medyo traffic pa ngayon. Ayan, medyo mapula. Mapula-pula. Yay! Let's go! See ya!
The dragon is down there.
Down there, he's using a what?
He's using a camouflage down there.
May camouflage na siyang nalalaman, guys.
Mom,
Yeah?
the dragon is hiding under the road.
Under the road?
Yeah.
I can't see them.
That's why they're hiding on the road.
That's why they're hiding.
Under
Yeah.
the road.
What's the color of the dragon?
It's green.
It's green. It's camouflage in the bush.
And his neck are white. That's why he's camouflaged under the road.
Under the road.
Camouflaging on the road?
Yeah. He's going there. Under there.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Wala pa ko ka-research sa school ba? So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Hilary's, guys. Ayan, maghanap na
Why
kami
are
ng
we
park.
in the beach?
Yeah, where are we on the beach? Merong free event
What?
na
Are we
may
going to
dragon. Sana
Are we going to
Witness
play on the beach?
Yeah?
I,
We're just gonna watch on the beach. We're not gonna swim.
I want to play on the beach.
You want to play on the beach? Okay.
I want to play there.
Okay. There's a beach there.
Watch out for the car!
Watch out for the car, Dad!
You.
Yan. So, andito na po kami ngayon at naghahanap ng mapaparkingan. Sana meron.
The baby. Dolphin got a baby. Dolphin got a baby.
The dolphin? Yeah.
The elephant.
The elephant?
And the dinosaur got a baby.
Ang ganda ng Hilary's kasi may ano siya, parang Enchanted Kingdom. Yung mga structure ng ano, yan oh. Yan. Harbor na harbor yung peg. Cute. Did you fit in?
The monster. It's so scary. Huh? That's right.
So, andito na po kami ngayon. Yan, nakapark na kami. Yan. Hey, this way! Yan. Hilary's. Ang ganda ng Hilary's. Ayan, oh. Yung pa-structure. Milk barrel.
Wala tayong tubig.
Oo. Pa. Ta? Why are you passing by that side? Makaon na tadaan kay para ano?
Hindi ka mag-shoot shorty. Kaya para tapos na ba yun?
Pwede man. That little boy. Big boy. Sumoy. So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Hilary's. Andun yung dragon. Yun. Nagpe-prepare na sila. So, ito yung Hilary's, guys. Ayan. Dito kami, pumunta kami dito sa gilid, sa mga bato. So, dito kami sa bato. Sa gilid lang. Wala pa man ano pa ko. Yan, para maganda yung view. Yay! We're here! Nice view. para kitang-kita yung dragon. Yan, yung mga tao nag-aabang na dito yung mga tao. Yan, yung mga tao hanggang dyan sa taas yung mga tao. Yan. And dyan kami magdi-dinner mamaya sa Nando's. Para lang siyang chicken inasal. Yan. Maraming kainan dito pero hanap tayo ng mura lang. Ang saya ng mga kids. Ang saya ng mga kids. Nag-wait lang sila dyan. Napapaliguan kasi to, yung harbor na to. And dahil may event, nilagyan nila ng barricade doon para hindi na mapuntahan. Guys.
You're gonna watch the dragon as well.
The birds? Kasi ang daming birds.
Mom, I see a green dragon.
Yeah. Did
Yeah?
you see the green dragon? Orange and green dragon?
I saw the orange and the green dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Magsa-start na guys. Ayan, ang dami ng tao. Cute naman. Nandyan lang sila, oh. Yay!
They are roaming these waters for centuries, feeding on the unsuspecting sailors, swimmers, even a boat or two when they get the hunger real bad. Dragons.
May pa-storytelling, guys.
These be the three siblings. Aegir, the Stormbringer, Ran, the trickster, and Vortigern, the loud.
Dragon. Yan na yung dragon, guys. Pupunta na sa kanila. Oh my God!
Ah, what the? Feels heavy.
Yan na yung dragon!
Ah, boys, they're here! They're here! It weren't just a tale, they're real!
muna ako guys. Ang ganda. Cute. Ayan guys. Hindi pa tapos yung event. Pero pupunta na kami dun sa kainan. Kasi gutom na. Gutom na yung bata. Ito yung mga kainan din dito. 3 sheets. Yan. Tapos may mga nanonood din dyan sa grass. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung bata natin. Yan. Ang daming nanonood. At naka-highlight. Yan. Ang daming tao guys. Ayan. May boardwalk dito. Tapos Chocolateria San Churro. And dito kami. Doon yung Nandos. Yun. Andun yung event. Yan. Yun lang sila guys. Yung mag-ama natin. Ganda dito.
Cool.
It's so cool.
It's going too fast. Fast and fast and fast.
Fast and fast. So, andito na po kami ngayon sa Nandos, guys. Yan yung menu nila. Whole chicken yung palagi namin kinukuha. You're gonna wee? Ayan, labas muna kami kasi mag-wee daw siya. May toilet daw dito. Ayan yun. So, dito kami umupo sa labas. Ayan pa yung dragon. Ayan. So, antay lang kami ng food namin. Andyan lang yung Nandos, guys. And may Ben & Jerry's sa tabi. May mga kainan pa dyan. Thank you! Yan! Whole chicken! Yay!
I'm gonna get plate for you. Did I?
Chicken!
Did I get?
Ayan guys, so nag-Ben & Jerry's kami na ice cream. Ben & Jerry's na ice cream. Ayan, yummy!